Mr. Geislart here, and we're going to take a look at number 10 in the target packet for Unit 2. The main idea behind this question is just the fact that there's 180 degrees in a triangle. So the first thing I'm going to do is find angle A. If I look at the triangle angle A is part of, I see one angle is 47 degrees, one angle is 90 degrees, and I need to find the third angle. To do that, I'm going to add these together and I get 137 degrees. Once I know that, I can take 180 because there's 180 degrees in a triangle, subtract 137, and that will give me my answer. In this case, that's 43. So the measure of angle A is going to be 43 degrees. Now, I'm going to just write that in there, or put that right there so I can show that that's 43 degrees. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at a different triangle. Now, I'm going to look at this big triangle that goes like this. Now, I know that this angle is 70, angle A is 43, so to find B, all I need to do is add those together. So 43 and 70, that will be 113. And then again, just take 180 because there's 180 degrees in a triangle, subtract 113, and when I do that, I'm going to end up with 67 degrees. So that means that B is 67. And then we're going to do this one more time to find the measure of angle C. So if I look at this triangle, again, I see that I have one angle that's 67, that's angle B, another angle that's 90, add those together, that will be 157. Then I just need to subtract that number from 180, just like we did before. So I'm going to go ahead and do 180 degrees, subtract 157, and that's going to leave me with 23. So my last angle will be 23 for C, and this one will be 67. Okay, and that's how you solve this problem.